Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to expand text with a Read More link in your Wix website. This is a fantastic feature if you want to keep your pages clean and organized while still providing detailed information to visitors who want to learn more. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with different options for managing your website. From this drop-down menu, take a moment to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the website where you wish to add a Read More link with expandable text. If you have multiple sites under your account, double-checking now will save you time later. Once you've confirmed you're working on the correct website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the next stage of customization. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your main workspace for building and designing your site. From here, locate the Add Elements option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This is where all the magic happens in terms of adding new features and components to your pages. Once the Add Elements menu expands, you'll see all the list of elements you can use to customize your website. Scroll through the options until you locate the text element and click on it. Under the text element, you'll find several styles to choose from. What you're looking for specifically is the collapsible text style, so click on it. From here, you'll see 3 different types of collapsible text layouts. These are designed to give that expandable effect, which works perfectly for long section titles or detailed descriptions. Simply drag one of these collapsible text styles onto your website canvas where you want it to appear. Now, to give it the expandable effect you're after, double-click on the collapsible text element you just placed. A text box settings panel will appear on the screen. From this text box settings panel, you'll see a section labeled "What does this button do?" From the options listed there, choose Expand. This is what enables the Read More functionality. You can also customize both the Expand button text and the Collapse button text once you've selected the Expand option, allowing you to match your site's tone and style perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added an expandable text feature with a Read More link to your Wix website, making your content more interactive and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.